everyone, it's Kim with Memories Cast Love. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Once we have 100 subscribers, I'll have a Dollar Tree giveaway. I really hope you enjoy this craft, so let's get started. Okay, this is another super easy craft to do. I picked up the play foam mats. They have different designs. It doesn't matter. You won't be seeing this side. You'll be seeing the back side. And I believe I have 4 packages I needed for this. Then I picked up a package of the table scatter. There's no sticky or anything, so you'll need some type of glue or adhesive. So you could use the adhesive spray. This is from Dollar Tree. I have Aleene's tacky glue. That's from Pac-Tans. And I also have the double-sided tape, and that is from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to use the double-sided tape. If you want something more permanent, then I would recommend one of the other things. So I already got the pieces together. So for the first piece, you're making 1 block. So you're just going to turn, and also on the back of these, they do have a stamp, so you want to make sure you have that on the bottom. So maybe I should use this one first. And they don't fit exactly square. That's okay. Makes them unique that way. Okay, so you can either, for this one, I'll add the hearts after I made the block. And then the next one, we will do the block, or do the hearts first, and then, oops, I don't have this on here right. There we go. So I'm just pushing these down on here. They go on pretty good. Okay, and you're just folding these over, just like so. And there we have the block. Okay, and then for this one, so again, make sure you have, which that side's not very nice looking, so that can be the back, and this can be the bottom. So we're going to put hearts on. I'm going to put them around and here in the front. So I'm just going to grab a tiny piece of the double-sided tape. And it's easier if you're using the tape, if you stick that down first and then put the heart on it, like so. Okay, then I'm going to turn it, grab another piece, put it down, and then add that heart. And if you need to reposition it, you can. And then we're going to grab another piece of tape. And of course these hearts are very glittery, but that's what makes it nice with these ones. Oh, I did that wrong. Okay, so I need to move. Nope, I need to take these off and turn them, because this is the top of my box. There's the bottom with the, so this is the top, so the sides, which I don't like that again. Okay, there, you can press it down, and then we're going to turn this heart around and push that down. Okay, now here we go. Now we have it right. Okay. so. Okay, so there is my first block. And then again, this is going to sit like this, so you'll be able to see the hearts. Okay, so there's the first one. Okay, the second one I'm doing in twos, and again, this one will be on the bottom because it has the writing. So we'll go twos this way. This will be the bottom, this will be the front, and this will be the top. So, and then this will be the back. So you go ahead and put that on there, and like that. Okay, so again, bottom, middle, top. Okay, so this one will be here. This way I know that the sides are. So again, back, bottom, front with the sides, and the top. Okay, and for this one I'm just going to use just the little hearts, and I'll go ahead and lay it out so that way you kind of know in case you want to change it up. This actually is a little bit easier than that one. That way where you have to worry about the hurting the block while you're pushing these down. Oops, I got just a little bit too much. You don't need much to put this on here. So just a small little sliver of the tape. Like I said before, if you want something more adhesive, use one of the others, the tacky glue or the what was the double-sided, or the, not double-sided, the adhesive spray. I have not used this yet, so I'm not sure how well it sticks, but I just like that the double-sided tape is easy to put on, and two, it's easy, like I said, to reposition your heart if you need to. Almost done with the double-sided, or the two square block. See, now I kind of get that weird, so I just pull it up, take it off, move it around, and we're good. Okay, and the last one, there we go. Okay, now we're just going to fold down and push like that, and then push it back in. Okay, the bottom, I like to do the sides last, like so. I'll go ahead and turn that over, turn it down, and here we go. We're going to, oops, that part's coming off. Okay, there we go. Oops, over my table. Okay, then we're just gonna fold and fold. It's easier if you do it, fold both, and because when you're pushing down on this, it's kind of hard to not ruin that bottom spot. Okay, and look, and with pressing down, it pretty much is putting this in. Okay, and this way I did it all correct because there's the front along with the sides, and here's the top, and then this will be the front, so this will be like this. Wait a minute, no, this will be like this, so I'll be stacking these on a table for a display. Okay, now we're going to move on to the one that has 3. Okay, turn over. Here's the bottom. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take these off and put them, because this is the bottom, so we need the back. So we're just going to go ahead. So if you find a piece like this one has indents on it, that'll go to the back, so that's fine. I don't mind that. And then this you're going to take apart because you need one here for the side and one here for the side. Okay. Again, hearts. And we're just going to lay them out to make sure they're where you want them to be. And you can do whatever design. I just like to tier them a little bit and have different designs on there. So small one gets a small piece of tape, and right on there. And you could even change this out if you had like little shamrocks or eggs for Easter. So I haven't seen any little shamrocks at Dollar Tree, so I don't know. But with the double-sided tape, it's not permanent if you want to adapt to a different holiday. Three more. Two more. I feel like I'm exercising. Three more, two more, one more. Come on. Okay. And the last one. And there we go. Okay, push them down on there. Okay, now we're going to start the folding process. So we're going to fold in and then just kind of push it. Okay, next. And next. Okay. And then just push in and push it together, push it down. Okay, I'm just making sure everything's pushed down. Okay, now we're going to put the sides in. And we're going to push that in. Almost isn't on camera because it's so long. Okay. And there we go. And there's the front with the sides and then the top. And then you won't see so much of the top when you put, of course, this on. But you will see a little bit of the sides. But this way you could change it up if you want. Uh-oh, we lost one of the hearts. So we're going to go ahead and add, whoops, another piece of this. And we're going to turn it over. Okay. So, but anyways, as I was saying, you could have them different. You could even like stack them sideways and have this one just on top like that. Of course my camera's not. I'll take a few pictures of different ways in the display and that. But something just really simple, and that doesn't take very much time, just, and doesn't cost a whole lot, but looks really cute. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got some inspiration. click on the Show More below to find out more about the items I used today. And we'll see you next time. And remember to make some loving memories today.